Welcome back to our channel TechTube, where we post tech related videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use threads. Now before I teach you how you guys can use threads, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after you open threads, it's going to look just like this. Now if you don't know how to log into it, we have created a video. You can watch that video to log into threads. Once you log into thread, basically this is going to be the interface. Now if you want to post something on threads, you can click on the little pen icon which is at the bottom and in the middle icon. Now over here you can write anything you want. So I'm just going to write this, and I'm going to use a photo. So in order to use a photo, you can use this little pin icon right beside the text. Click on the pin icon. Once you do that, all the photo in your gallery is going to be shown. Let's say I want to use this photo. I can click on it, click on add at the top right, and then click on post. Once I do that, this is going to be posted. And to see all of the posts you have created or you have liked on your thread, you can go into your profile. In order to do that, click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen, and all the things you have posted or you have liked or you have reposted is going to be shown over here. So this is your profile. Alright, click on the home icon. If you want to like somebody's post, you can click on the heart on their post. If you want to comment on it, you can click on this little comment looking icon and comment on them. If you want to repost it, you can click on this arrow pointing at the opposite direction and click on repost, and it will be reposted. It's basically like sharing on Facebook. But if you want to share this post outside of threads on somebody's message, you can click on this arrow looking icon right beside the post, click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you can post it anywhere and this post will be shared. If you want to see how many likes you have, who has commented on your post, you can click on this heart looking icon at the bottom, and it's going to show you all the information over here. If you want to search for something, you can click on the search icon and search for it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use threads. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. Until next time, peace out and subscribe to TechTube.